Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.
La ngithi mangithi ngiyalibeka ngishaya umthetho agwije kube sengathi uyena indoda.
Since ngakhuluma naye indaba kaNumber 5 uyangidelela uyahluleka ukunginikeza indawo yami uyahluleka ukunginikeza inhlonipho efanele.
Guys, please bear with me. Everything that I post here, I summarize it. I'm not allowed to YouTube to post a long video from what Sandonis Tembonga or anything that's related to posting. So I'm back with Mangwabe. Recently, Musamsele went to Msamo wayo complain. Atshela abantu basekibo, I think batshela uGoGoFlow. Abantu abaningi were like, yo, uFlow uthwele kanzima. So he went to Msamo wayotshela abaphansi ngey'nkinga zakhe zasemhlabeni. So into yokuqala akhulume ngayo wakhuluma ngoMangwabe. uMangwabe soloko wamtshela ukuthi uyothatha umfazi wokusi-5. uMangwabe akasamuzwa, uMangwabe uyadelela, uMangwabe uyaphendulana. uMangwabe nje akasamboni ukuthi isivalo sakuphi. Guys, kodwa sakhuluma ngale nto le. Nakhumbula ngisho ukuthi uMangwabe it's like akasena inhliziyo for umusa. Inhliziyo for umusa uMangwabe akasenayo. That's why athi anything that will happen this year, she's ready. She's more than ready. So ukufika kwaKwaSamgekhwela made things worse because bayamreplace manje. And I understand why umusa aze replace uMangwabe. It's because uMangwabe akamboni vele. Akamboni at all. And yena umusa uzishelo yena wathi uthando lwabo abantu angeke bal-understand. We won't understand it because we see ukuthi uMangwabe is bullying uMusa Mseleku. Uyambullisha, guys, let's be honest. Like last night, kule episode ebiphumile izolo, listen.
Wena umuntu engibonayo ukuthi uzongilahla kodwa ke ungalenzi lelo.
Umusa came to her and azama ukukhuluma naye. Okay, bakhuluma ngendaba ye-meeting and then he was like, okay, namhlanje ngilala la kuwe. uMangwabe was like, hayibo asitheni ngamayini. And umusa was like, yeah, every time uMangwabe mangizotshintsha ingcondo ngithi azini ngiyolala kaMangwabe uvele athi asitheni yakhe. And imagine umuntu esithembu, you go wherever you want to sleep, but still guys, kumele siphinde sibuye endabeni ukuthi uMangwabe umfazi naye unenhliziyo, kodwa noma ngaba nenhliziyo ungene esithembini azi just yena she was told ukuthi angeke ngisakureplace. And esithembini once kwaba no-number 4 nje wazi ukuthi kuba no-number 5 kuba no-number 6 kusazoqhubeka nje kunqani lokho. Kodwa guys, sizawuthini ungene azi Mangwabe ukuthi esithenjweni kusebenza kanjani, so she must face or else ahambe because umusa uthi yena akasenandaba ukuthi whether umuntu uyahamba or akahambi uzizala nalaba abasalayo ayincingi nabo. So guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.